With its modern features, luxurious amenities, and prime location, this home is ready to welcome you. The heart of this home is an open floor plan on the main level, filled with natural light from abundant windows and tall ceilings. The spacious living area flows seamlessly into a chef's dream kitchen, which features a flexible dining area and space for a cozy family room or home office. The kitchen boasts beautiful countertops, an oversized island with bar seating, perfect for food prep and serving, and ample cabinet storage. It's equipped with stainless steel GE appliances, including a 5-burner gas stovetop, built-in oven, and a French door refrigerator. The large windows in this space overlook a beautiful green park, providing a relaxing backdrop for meals or quiet time. In the loft area is a dedicated desk, serving as an ideal workspace or reading nook. Upstairs, the comfortable, well-lit bedrooms are thoughtfully designed. The luxurious primary suite is a private retreat featuring a walk-in closet and an elegant bathroom with a dual sink vanity, beautiful marble counters, extensive storage, and an oversized shower with stunning tile finishes. Adding to the home's versatility is a ground-level bedroom suite, offering perfect privacy for guests and direct access to a patio area ideal for entertaining or relaxing. Additional features include an attached 2-car garage with extra storage, a laundry room with a washer and dryer, additional storage under the stairs, and central air conditioning. This home has new plush carpet throughout and freshly painted. Situated in a vibrant neighborhood, the home offers the perfect balance of convenience and tranquility with close proximity to schools, Tamian Park, Rivermark Plaza, and major tech companies.